American Express just re-released their rose gold colorway on their gold card. In this video, I'm going to go over whether or not you should get this card by weighing its pros and cons. I've had this card for around a month and I've been using it for my everyday purchases along with a couple large purchases. Saying that, I have already experienced some of the drawbacks with this card as well as some of the benefits. The reason why the rose gold card is so special is because it is a charge card. This means that you do not have a spending limit, although saying that, it does not mean that you have unlimited money. Your spending limit somewhat changes based on your spending behavior and your payment history. And you must pay off this card in full each month. It's not like a normal credit card where you can pay the minimum payment. If you don't pay it off in full, then you'll have late fees. Personally, I really like that because I think that's how it should be. You should always pay off your card in full each month, and this card just forces you to do that. When signing up for this card, they are offering 75,000 membership points, which is a lot of points. You just have to spend $4,000 within the first 6 months. And 6 months is a long time relative to other cards. For example, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you get 100,000 points, but you have to spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. So if you were worried about the spending limit, this will help you out a lot. This card comes with a whopping $250 annual fee. That's pretty expensive, but they do offer some benefits that can offset the cost of that card. On this card, you get 4x on dining. Personally, I don't dine out that much, but if you are somebody who dines out a lot, that would be nice. You also get 4x on groceries, which is one of the main reasons why I got this card, because I wanted that 4x on groceries, and that's a really nice benefit. So if you have a big grocery bill each month, you can easily justify the cost of this card. You also get 3x back on flights, which is nice, and then you get 1x for everything else. And that 1x is pretty standard across all the cards. On this card, there are no foreign transaction fees, so you can buy stuff pretty much anywhere in the world and not have to worry about being charged extra. When using this card, you also get Amex Preferred seating, so when you purchase a ticket using your American Express card, you have a chance to get upgraded in your seat. So you might get upgraded to first class or business. Now this card comes in rose gold and gold. I decided to get the rose gold just because I think it looks better, and also, I don't know, it's just a cool card to have. The Amex Rose Gold card comes with a $120 Uber Eats Pass credit. So that basically means that you'll get a free membership for Uber Eats. And that's pretty much just the premium membership. Now what does this Uber Eats Pass even do? You basically get $0 delivery and then 5% off orders over $15. Now these subscription services seem to be a popular thing among cards in this price range, ranging from $100 to $250. This credit helps justify the $250 annual fee, but honestly, only if you use Uber already. Another perk of having this card is that you get $10 every month going towards Uber Eats. So you can order food with that money instead of just getting the membership. So that comes out to $120 a year, which also helps offset the cost of the card. And guess what the next perk is? Another credit for $120. And this one is at Grubhub, Seamless, Boxed, and a couple other places. Just keep in mind that you have to enroll for that perk. So if you get the card, you should go ahead and enroll for that. Now all these are alright benefits that can help justify the fee of the card, but if you don't really use Uber or you don't already eat at Grubhub, it doesn't really make sense, although I guess you can get a cheap meal once a month. The last credit that you get is not centered around food, which is kind of nice, and that's a $100 hotel credit. So there's a catch on this. You have to stay in a hotel that you booked through American Express for at least 2 nights, and only participating hotels actually have this credit. So it's not that likely that you're going to use it, but if you do, then this can help offset the fee of the card as well. And another con of that credit, it's not actually $100 towards the hotel room. It's only for stuff like the spa or getting dinner at the hotel. All right, now I've gone over all the benefits and all the good things about this card. Let me go over my cons. The cons list is pretty short because it's a pretty good card, but there definitely are some cons. Number one is that it is an American Express card, so it's not going to be accepted at some of your local stores. So for example, my local Cookout, they don't accept it. And so I have to use my Chase Sapphire Preferred for that to get that food. Another con with this card is that even though you're paying $250, you do not get any lounge membership, which kind of sucks. Personally, I think Amex should change this for like a limited membership where you can go maybe 3 times a year by having this card instead of just not going at all. The $250 is pretty steep, and I think that should carry some lounge access. And that's really it. Overall, I'd recommend you get this card if you spend a lot of money on groceries or if you use Uber a lot. But other than that, maybe pass on this one for now. They might have some more appealing offers in the future, but honestly, I think I'd rather go with a Chase Sapphire Preferred. That one is $150 less expensive and pretty much provides most of the things that this card provides. Also, there's a better sign-up bonus on that one. So if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you also want to sign up for that card, I will also leave a link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope this video brought you some value and taught you something new about credit cards. If you would like to follow along with the channel, then I recommend you subscribe. If you have any questions about anything in this video, then leave a comment below. Thank you all. Have a great day.